For making instant mirchi ka achar, we need green chilies, methi seeds, saunf, mustard dal, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, mustard oil, hing and vinegar. Place a pan on medium heat and add cumin seeds, methi seeds, saunf, mustard seeds and mustard dal. Now roast these spices on medium heat for 2 minutes. Once done, add the roasted spices in a grinder and grind it coarsely. Our masala for the achar is now ready. Take a bowl and add the chopped green chilies. We will now add the freshly prepared masala. We will now add salt, turmeric powder, hing, vinegar and mustard oil. Now mix everything well. Our instant mirchi ka achar is now ready. Take a glass jar like this and store the achar in it. That's all for today's video. Hope you all have liked it. If yes, then please like, comment and share this video with all your friends and family members. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.